Do you know which tenses are the following underlined bold-faced verbs? When Sarah arrived at the party, Paul wasn't there. He had gone home. When I arrived at home yesterday, I was really tired because I'd been working so hard all day. Hi, I'm Kamal Mursali from the IELTS Path. I'm really happy to invite you all to follow my page on Instagram, my YouTube channel, and of course my website in order to be in touch with a variety of information about learning English as well as acing the IELTS test. Sarah went to a party last week. Paul went to the party too, but they didn't see each other. In fact, Paul went home at 10:30 and Sarah arrived at the party at 11. So, when Sarah arrived at the party, Paul had gone home. Sometimes we use simple past to talk about a particular point in the past in which something happened. For example, Sarah arrived at the party. This is the starting point of a story. Then, if you want to talk about other actions that took place before this time, in this case, the best tense is past perfect. ماضی بعید یا گذشته کامل. For example, when Sarah arrived at the party, Paul wasn't there. He had already gone home. Let's have a look at some more examples in this case. When we got home last night, we found that somebody had broken into the flat. Karen didn't want to go to the cinema with us because he had already seen the film. At first, I thought I had done the right thing. I soon realized I'd made a serious mistake. The man sitting next to me on the plane was very nervous. He hadn't flown before. Now, what about this situation? Yesterday morning, when I got up, I looked out of the window. The sun was shining, but the ground was wet. It had been raining. In fact, it wasn't raining when I looked out the window. The sun was shining. However, it had been raining before that. That's why the ground was wet. In fact, we use past perfect continuous ماضی بعید استمراری یا گذشته کامل استمراری to talk about an action which had been happening for a period of time before something else happened in the past. Let's have a look at some more examples about this tense. When the boys came to the house, their clothes were dirty, their hair was untidy, and one of them had a black eye. They had been fighting. I was very tired when I arrived home. I had been working hard all day. Ken gave up smoking 2 years ago. He had been smoking for 30 years. Well, I hope you found this video useful and practical. And for sure, for getting more information about more grammar points, you can definitely visit our website and read our book named Practical English Grammar for IELTS. Now, as usual, it's your turn. Have a look at these two following sentences and tell me which one do you think is more appropriate grammatically, A or B. Good luck.